it's definitely not the up and down. It's yeah, the quarter line as you call it. And just so you know, mate, it is tinted as well. If that helps. It's the factory tint that came with it. No, we can have a black with it.
I don't know what to tell you. Parcel force.
Yeah. Any idea roughly underneath here to get it done?
I can try and find it for you, and let's see where it is if you want.
Yeah. Okay, fine. All right, just keep me posted, mate. All right. Lovely.
Yeah.
All right, fine.
This is
Cheers,
what I
then,
can
mate.
find for
Speak
you,
soon.
and I'll give you a call
Take
back.
care. Bye.
Cheers, bye.
Has that turned up yet?
I bet you always take the top box, which is bloody head office, I think. No trolleys.
Oh,
I think.
no Marek. Is Marek here this week?
Yes.
He is, alright.
It might be in a meeting though.
Okay, I'll catch up with him later.
Do you want me to pass on the message?
Only if it's nothing urgent, if he's got 5 seconds, but it's nothing urgent at all.
Yeah, you can hit. It's here.
Yeah, it's the rear. Rear passenger
Have a nice
door.
holiday,
Okay.
Chris. Have a nice holiday. Good.
No, that's fine, mate. That's fine. Okay. All right, lovely. Cheers. Bye. Some swine smashed my windscreen the weekend. So getting it
Oh.
replaced.
God, that's what we're having.
How are you?
Fine, I'm good, thank you. I'm now back obviously from holiday. All my lights are flashing again at home and everything. So what I was thinking, I've got to work from home on Friday to get the vortex out.
Yeah.
So my little
Chrissy.
no, not what's his name?
Raz.
Raz. I was going to call him Naz, and I'm like,
No, that's fine. So Sharon obviously is back, and at home obviously her setup, which I believe now is it the little black? No, it's not the little black box which is the Meraki. That's got a single light on it. What colour is that? Do you remember?
I can't remember now. It's just
I think it's the switch.
I'll look tonight.
I think it's
No,
the switch
because what I
that's
was going to
causing
say, what happened last time? Raz and I just spoke, and he got me all sorted out, and then it was all working.
Oh, I
and
know what it
the
is.
was dancing.
It's the plugs. So remember, your internet is going through your plugs.
He took me through that, didn't he?
So has hubby been hoovering again?
You must be bloody joking. Hoovering.
So long story short,
He does.
your well, I do at home. That's why I've got it works. Long story short, your internet goes through the electricity in your
Yes,
house.
yes.
The plug downstairs,
Yes.
upstairs, they lose
That's
trust.
right. Sorry, he did tell me that, didn't he?